Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make individual shrimp boil foil packets. These shrimp boil packets are full of juicy shrimp, sausage, corn, potatoes with Cajun seasoning and fresh lemon. Then we're gonna finish them off with parsley. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are going to cut the red potatoes into 1-inch chunks. Make sure guys you cut them the same size for even cooking. Once all the potatoes are cut, place them in a saucepan. Now let's move on to work on the corn. What I did here, this is corn on the cob. I cut it into 4 pieces. If you like, you can cut it in half, but I like it whole like this. Place the corn with the potatoes in the saucepan, then boil for 8 minutes until potatoes are fork tender. Next, cut whole onion into chunks, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on the shrimp. I like to use jumbo shrimp for my foil packet shrimp boil. Now we're gonna go ahead and season with paprika and Cajun seasoning. I like to season my shrimp separately to make sure that each and every shrimp is coated with seasoning. Once the shrimp is coated well with the seasoning, add about 1 tablespoon of melted butter, mix well, then set aside. So here I have kielbasa. We're gonna go ahead and cut it into 2 to 3 inches chunks. Once it's all cut, we're gonna set aside. Now back to the potatoes. They are fork tender. Now we're gonna drain the water and transfer to a bowl. We're gonna let them cool slightly, then go ahead and add minced garlic. I love garlic, guys. Then we're gonna season with salt and black pepper to taste. Now add the shrimp. Then we're gonna go ahead and season with paprika and Cajun seasoning. Add melted butter along with the potatoes, kielbasa and onions. Then toss everything together. Once everything is tossed together, divide them onto a foil, fold into packets and seal edges tightly. Guys, to make foil pack, you need to lift two opposite sides of foil with your fingers, turning them down ½ inch so they hold together the fold. Then two sides bit by bit until sealed shut. The appearance doesn't matter at all. You might be wondering why we boil the potatoes and corn first. Shrimp cooks quickly faster than potatoes and corn, so we need to boil the potatoes and corn for even cooking. Place the sealed packet on a baking sheet. Now let me show you the last time. If you are enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell. You have to hit all, guys, so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. And if you are returning, I appreciate your love and support. Leave a comment because I love hearing from you. And lastly, tell your friends about what we are doing in this kitchen, guys. Share this video with your friends and your family. Help this channel to grow, guys. So for this package, guys, we are using heavy duty aluminum foil. So we're gonna go ahead and bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I just pulled out from the oven, wait for 5 minutes, then we're gonna open one packet and show you how it looks, guys. Be cautious, guys, it might be still hot. I don't want you to burn yourselves. Now drizzle with the remaining butter. Guys, it smells so good in here. I can't wait to dig into this. Garnish with parsley. Guys, do you love good shrimp boil? I would like to know if you like to make large batch shrimp boil or shrimp boil packets. This easy dish, guys, is so delicious and it comes together in about 45 minutes. Finish off with lemon juice and it's ready to be served. There you have it, guys, shrimp boil in foil packets. Until next time, guys. Bye, honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.